Removing the rear door handle on a T1N Sprinter. You can't see any fasteners here, they're hiding. What we do is we take some kind of block, put it right here against this edge. You can use the handle of the screwdriver, bump it that way. And you see that, how that's moved over that way? That top will tip out, both sides, and it lifts off. And you can see two little tabs here and there that interlock there. The whole handle slides down over this and then tips in. Slides down, tips in like so, and there it's back on. And out. Now the T30 screw. Take all of these out. Better to get your pry tool behind the wood so you're pulling on the whole thing. Pops out like so. Now before I lose these, drop the two screws out of there. Turn the handle and it slides through sideways. And that's how it comes apart. A little bump. There we go. Bumped over to the side, and we'll tip the tops out and lift up. You can see we've got two little tabs here that fit into these slots. So we're gonna tip that out and up. Then we've got a couple of T30. This little piece just slides up, out, and we'll work this little guy out as well. These little plugs will just pry out. Now we have three screws here. This one holds the door handle in. That's kind of going to be in the way, so if you leave this screw and this handle in place, when you go to put this back in, it's not going to want to fit in there. This little tab is going to interact with the locking mechanism in here. So we want to tip it like this and slide it up there until it goes in. And if I put it flat against it and try to slide it up, see it hits something right there. If I tip it, it slides right up and in. Get them all started before we tighten any up. Push into that little hole. And then this pushes into the groove there. Like so. Don't forget to put your panel back on before this, but we're going to rework these panels, so that'll come later. It sits down on top, spaced out. We can push it in to get those clips in, and slide it that way.